everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, I will continue my explanation about how to learn English, how to improve our English. So yeah, I'm not expert in this context, but I love English. And first of all, I will tell you my story in understanding the English or in speaking English. So take it off. Yeah, this is my story. I often face the unexpected things like what I said before. When I tried to learn English well, I thought I'm very bad in grammar and I'm good in speaking. But when I tried to speak in English but not proper in grammar, I'm very insecure. Like, I thought people will judge my English. When I say the English grammar in my story in Instagram, yeah, some of my friends just ask me, how can you get a better English without learning grammar? Since I was in elementary school, I really love English. Like, oh my god, I have a dream to become a diplomat, and the English is the natural language in the diplomat, I thought. But in elementary school, I faced the bad system, I thought, because my teacher just focused on the grammar, and I'm pretty good in speaking, but in my school, the teacher gave us a task and grammar. Okay, I will continue in the junior high school. In junior high school, my parents make me into a course. They just asked me to be better in English and in grammar, of course, because I got into this course and I took this course, and this is the first step to improve my grammar. But the bad things happened. I felt shy when I'm not clearly understand the grammar well. I know the grammar, but I'm not well in understanding the grammar perfectly. I don't try to be a perfectionist person, but the grammar helps me to understand the English in another side. Yeah, this is the problem in myself. Junior high school till senior high school. In senior high school, same like junior and elementary, just focus on grammar. Even my school has the speech contest and the speech before ceremonial events. Yeah, I'm very proud. I've achievement to become a top talent in speech contest in English, but I'm not confident with my English in this contest. So I try to learn more from the YouTube in university. I mean, like in the college, I have to push my English well, and I have to improve my English, and especially in grammar. But the COVID emerged, and stop for a moment. Now, what do you think? Do you think my English is very perfect, good, normal, or bad? I asked you to give me a comment because I need a comment from people who will support me and who will try to make my English good. Yeah. And now I'm still in the learning process because in this life I believe we're still learning and learning and learning. When we stop to learn, we will be tired. Why? Because we often getting bored in learning something, in learning language. But the good way, we will find the comfort manner in understanding the English. Why? Because we just in the process to find our best manner or best way. And now I still believe when I speak out loud in my room, my English will be very good. I need an improvement. Now I got the improvement from this room. I met the disclaimer, so I'm not blame my school or the school system. The fault is coming from me because when I got the course, English course or the speaking course or etc., why I'm not learning speaking in my home? Why I just blame my school system? Yeah, because in the adult process, we see the reality now. And yeah, in Indonesia, we see that school system made us too busy with the academic. Yeah, it's very good, but the public speaking, the speaking, listening, or the another soft skill, we can find it in school. Yeah, maybe we have an extracurricular, but do you have an improvement from that when you just sit down in your chair and just calm and we often surrender? We surrender. And why? Because we're getting bored? Or we try to stop our process, learning process? Maybe. But kinda we getting bored often. But the result is not like what we expect before. So maybe we just learning English for something or for the next career life. But I give you a recommendation. When we try to learn English, love the English. You should love the English. Like you love yourself, family, maybe your girlfriend. Because the English is very easy when we focus to love this language. So I'm not pretty good in English grammar, but I thought my speaking, pretty good. I'm too confident, because when you try to confident and just believe yourself, the next life or the next day, the next year, I will be getting better and I will be very good, very confident. Now I'm still nervous, but I tried to elaborate what I felt in the past for you. So this is my story, guys. Next, we will learn together learning English. So thank you guys. See you.